This 7-bedroom family home begins with a distinctly Bauhaus idea. Complex living contained within clear, legible geometry. White rendered volumes overlap and project, while charcoal window frames sharpen every opening. The upper floor appears to float above the recessed oak entrance, giving shelter without decorative excess. Limestone underfoot and loose grasses at the edges soften the precision, allowing the architecture to feel welcoming, mature, and properly settled into its garden. Inside, the entrance hall immediately explains how the house is organized. A double-height void creates breathing room, while the floating staircase uses blackened steel and pale oak to turn circulation into a disciplined architectural feature. Storage is absorbed into the wall beside a simple bench, keeping daily family life orderly. Most importantly, the view continues straight through to the courtyard, so daylight and planting provide orientation from the moment the front door opens. The formal living room occupies the most generous volume. Its height and full wall of glazing give the cream seating and leather chairs space to stand apart rather than crowd together. A long stone fireplace reinforces the horizontal line that runs through the architecture, and the restrained artwork adds warmth without competing with the courtyard. This is a room for conversation and occasion, yet its comfort prevents the Bauhaus discipline from becoming severe.
The second living room is deliberately more relaxed.
A deep olive gray sectional creates a place where the family can gather every day, while the oak media wall contains technology, books, and storage within one calm elevation. With the television switched off, the joinery reads as architecture rather than equipment. Sliding glass connects the room to the courtyard and to distant spaces beyond, giving an informal lounge the same clarity and visual depth as the principal rooms. The third living room offers a quieter alternative, positioned closer to the garden. 2 curved cream sofas face one another across a low oak table, creating a balanced setting for reading or smaller conversations. The dark fireplace and shelving form a strong central anchor, while the generous side window brings foliage close to the room. Its symmetry is calm rather than rigid, demonstrating how modern geometry can support intimacy as effectively as open-plan family life. At the center of daily life, the kitchen is drawn as a sequence of long, uninterrupted planes. Warm oak cabinets sit beside matte white storage, and a monolithic pale stone island provides preparation space, informal meals, and 5 comfortable seats. Appliances are integrated so that function remains visible without creating visual noise. Glazing along the side keeps the courtyard in view, allowing cooking, homework, and conversation to share one practical, light-filled setting. The dining room continues the same limited material palette, but changes the scale. A substantial oak table seats 10 without feeling ceremonial, paired with slim, dark chairs that preserve openness around it. 4 simple globe pendants create a gentle rhythm overhead. The kitchen remains visible behind, while sliding doors connect the table to the covered terrace. This direct relationship makes the room equally useful for ordinary family meals, weekend gatherings, and larger celebrations. The central courtyard is not leftover outdoor space. It is the organizing heart of the plan. A multi-stem tree rises through the open center, surrounded by ferns and low grasses that soften the limestone paths. Glazed corridors and rooms face inward from several sides, allowing family members to understand where they are and glimpse activity elsewhere. Light enters deep into the building, while the enclosed planting brings privacy, seasonal change, and a quiet natural focus. The principal bedroom is composed as a private retreat rather than an oversized showroom. A continuous oak wall integrates the headboard and bedside surfaces, giving the bed a strong horizontal setting. Olive and rust accents add subdued color to the pale textiles, while the broad glazing opens toward a planted terrace. Furniture remains low and carefully spaced, preserving clear views and a sense of rest. The result is luxurious through proportion, material, and calm. In the principal bathroom, the palette becomes lighter and more tactile. Pale stone wraps the floor, vanity, and shower, while oak cabinetry introduces warmth along the long double basin. A freestanding bath sits beside screened glazing, receiving daylight without sacrificing privacy. Dark taps and shower fittings provide precise graphic contrast. Nothing is added merely for display. Storage, bathing, and circulation are resolved as one composed interior, with a quiet atmosphere closer to a private spa. The second bedroom is designed for a teenager, balancing independence with the wider character of the house. A rust-colored headboard gives the bed a confident center, while an oak desk stretches below the horizontal window to provide a generous place for study. Integrated shelving keeps possessions contained without making the room impersonal. Dark task lighting and a simple chair add definition, and the mature palette can adapt easily as its occupant grows. The third bedroom takes a softer approach. Sage textiles, pale oak, and a light geometric rug establish a calm base, while the window seat turns the courtyard view into a useful place to read. Drawers below provide concealed storage, and a compact desk sits within the same carefully planned joinery. The room feels individual, but it does not depend on short-lived decoration. Its comfort comes from daylight, proportion, and furniture that performs more than one function. In the fourth bedroom, warmer ochre tones give a younger child a distinct identity within the shared architectural language. The bed remains low and simple, leaving generous floor area for play, while open storage keeps frequently used objects within easy reach. A broad desk and tall wardrobe provide capacity for later years. The garden window brings greenery into the room, and the controlled geometric details feel playful, without turning the space into a temporary themed interior. The fifth bedroom introduces dusty blue-gray against oak and white, showing how repetition can still allow variety. A clerestory window draws daylight high across the wall while preserving privacy, and the curved reading chair softens the room's straight lines. The wardrobe is built in as part of the architecture, with a small homework position tucked beside it. This is an efficient, restful room whose materials connect naturally with every other part of the home. Bedroom 6 serves as a generous guest suite. The cream-upholstered bed and rust throw create immediate warmth, but the arrangement remains uncluttered and easy to understand. An oak wardrobe wall provides proper storage for a longer stay, while a comfortable chair and private side-core outlook prevent the room from feeling secondary. A discreet route to the shower room completes the suite, giving visitors privacy while retaining the home's disciplined palette and calm garden connection. The seventh bedroom is positioned on the ground floor for grandparents, long-term guests, or changing family needs. Wide circulation around the king bed, low storage, and a level threshold to the garden make the room easy to use without introducing a clinical appearance. An olive chair creates a comfortable place to sit in daylight, and the oak wall brings continuity with the upstairs rooms. Flexibility is treated here as a permanent architectural quality, not an afterthought. The home office and library support focused work for two people. A long oak desk runs beneath the garden window, placing daylight and a green outlook directly in front of both positions. Storage rises to the ceiling on the opposite wall, combining open bookshelves with concealed cabinets below. Black chairs and task lights provide crisp contrast. Because technology and paperwork have defined places, the room can remain visually composed while still functioning as a serious everyday workspace. For shared leisure, the family room combines cinema and games without relying on novelty decoration. A large blank projection surface is framed by oak storage, while deep charcoal seating allows everyone to settle comfortably. The games table occupies the brighter side of the room, and clerestory glazing admits controlled daylight above eye level. Rust-colored chairs add warmth. The flexible arrangement supports films, conversation, and play, yet still belongs unmistakably to the architecture of the house. The rear terrace extends the living spaces beneath a deep, precisely drawn cantilever. Limestone paving continues the pale floor tone outdoors, while separate sitting and dining areas accommodate both quiet afternoons and larger gatherings. Continuous black-framed doors can open the kitchen and lounges toward the garden, reducing the boundary between inside and outside. The roof provides dependable shelter and shade, allowing this outdoor room to become part of ordinary family life rather than occasional scenery. From the garden, the full composition becomes clear. Two-story and single-story white volumes interlock around the glazed center, with oak soffits adding warmth beneath the projecting roofs. The broad lawn is simple enough for family use, while layered planting gives privacy and softens the sharp geometry. Interior rooms remain visible as connected pools of warm light. It is a large home, but careful proportion, repeated materials and landscape prevent it from feeling monumental or remote.